Hi everybody, this is Jay Crater, and this video is called Uber and Lyft Driver, How Much Money Can You Really Make? So much of that depends on where you are, of course what kind of car you have, because that's going to determine some of your expenses. What times of day are you free to drive, and what days of the week are you free to drive? So I'll just tell you what it's been for me and what I've learned so far. I started driving in Sacramento, and in a 6-hour shift, the best I was able to do was $150, which isn't near where I need to be in order to make this worth my time on my weekends. So then I heard about San Francisco. San Francisco, make thousands of dollars in San Francisco. So I went to San Francisco, and while it's not as great as some videos would have you believe, it's pretty darn good. It's pretty darn good. The best thing about it is you don't have a lot of wait time in between fares. So in a 6-hour shift, you could actually make between $200 and $250. So I'm not sure how people are saying they're making thousands of dollars on a weekend, but I think you can make $1,000 if you do it right. So if you do a 6-hour shift on a Friday night, then you do a 6-hour shift on Saturday from like 9 to 3, and then take a break, and then from 9 to 3 in the morning, and then again on Sunday, you can do a day shift. So that would be 4 strong shifts at $200 to $250 an hour. I'm getting close to my $1,000 mark. I may do a night or two in Sacramento to top off at $1,000. So those are some real numbers, and that's been my experience so far. Now, I'm also with these videos, I'm hoping to get some referrals, and that's going to add to my weekly amount. I've also made some business cards because I've had people who have said, I'm interested, but I didn't have anything to give them in terms of referral codes. So I'm doing a few other things that will add to my weekly revenue. So those are some real numbers about how much money you can really make. Now, if you're in New York City or LA or Chicago, you might be able to make a lot more. There may be no time in between pings. So in other words, once you drop somebody off, you go back online, boom, you're off to your next fare. And so part of how much money you can make is determined on that, and then how long the drives are, and how quickly you can pick somebody up at the new location to come back, and all of that. So all I can speak to is Sacramento and San Francisco. And you can make a pretty decent amount of money, particularly in San Francisco. Certainly to make this a really viable part-time job that's really enjoyable. Below here I've got my referral codes, so if you're looking to get started, use my referral codes. Check out my website, okay, where I've got a whole bunch of videos listed, and I'll be adding more videos as I learn more things about Uber and about Lyft and about my experiences. And yeah, thank you very much. I'll see you on the road. Bye-bye.